Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn engineering drawing step by step. Begin by gathering pencils, erasers, a scale, compass, and set squares, then learn proper paper layout. Focus on neat line work and consistent lettering. These details improve readability. Study orthographic projection and practice front, top, and side views from simple blocks. Regular short practice sessions beat rare long ones, so schedule daily 20 to 30-minute exercises to build steady skill. In this video, I will explain how to learn engineering drawing step by step. Start by organizing tools and learning to hold a pencil for controlled strokes. Practice construction lines lightly and reserve darker strokes for final outlines to avoid clutter. Use a scale rule to convert real sizes to drawing sizes and always annotate units clearly. Work through simple mechanical parts, increasing complexity as accuracy improves, and review mistakes to learn faster. In this video, I will explain how to learn engineering drawing step by step. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while drawing and consider the Oala water bottle for reliable daily use and easy sipping during long sessions. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so more tutorials can be made. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then grab a sip and prepare your tools. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to learn engineering drawing step by step. Start with orthographic projections, ensuring alignment between views and consistent scales. When parts have hidden features, use section views and hatching to show interior detail clearly. Complement projections with isometric sketches to communicate three-dimensional form in one view. Always cross-check dimensions between views and use reference lines to maintain spatial relationships and avoid errors during interpretation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.